Alright, so I've applied lubricant on every piece, so I'm going to put it in. I'm going to make sure to get it on the face of the shackle here, because the end of the bushing will rub up against that as well. I want it to have something to be lubricated against. Okay. Slide this one on. Then apply more lubricant around the edge of this, and on the top side here. That. Okay. Right. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put this one back in. This is for the shackles in the back. Just to hold it in place for now. Okay. These other two are just going to be sitting, waiting for when we have to finally put everything together. Okay. But we're going to assemble the front eyelet first. We're not going to put the rear end first. Now, an easy way to get it all together, since it is a spring and it's under tension, you can put the bolt in the rear eye or the front eye first, and then you can put a hydraulic jack underneath the center part of the spring to kind of extend the spring out, so that gives you a little extra slack to attach the shackle into the frame.